Oke, kembali lagi di Arknights ENDFIELD Indonesia. Kita akan melanjutkan permainan kita. Ini baru banget di awal ya. Kita buka-buka dulu ya. Mails dan hadiah pre-registration.
Still waiting for something?
Oke, kemarin gacha kita dapetin event.
Leave it to me.
Tipe apa ya? Physical ya. Oke, kita akan atur tim dulu. Gimana caranya?
All operators accounted for.
Ini timnya.
The team is ready for the mission.
Bisa berempat belum ya? Kita masukin aja.
My laces are untied. Wait, Landman's coming. Attention!
Enfield crisis team, ready for action.
Oke, kita masukkan aja dulu ya sama pemain. Lanjut dulu story-nya.
Wow, those landbreakers are giving us a show of force. It's rare to see LBs this arrogant.
Of the three major landbreaker clans, the Bone Crushers are the ones who actively respect violence. According to intel
Crusher
from
yang
the
kemarin kita
SOW,
lawan yang besar.
this clan has suddenly stopped their extended infighting and launched multiple raids on other minor factions. We don't have any further intel yet. The only thing we can confirm
Kali ini
is that
kita
a
fokus
leader has
story dulu ya.
emerged and united the
Ikutin
entire
tutorial
Bone
yang
Crusher clan.
bakal ditunjukin. Nih.
You that said.
We get ambushed! I'll start it! Face your ass! Take him out!
How's that, Edmund?
Good work, everyone.
An easy victory.
Is that it?
Lanjut.
I haven't even shown you my best moves.
Terus melihat sekelilingnya.
Come get some, you blight-eating scabs! Workers of the UW will never back down!
He's with the UWST. We've got to save him first.
Bisa nggak? Oh, nggak bisa. Harus muter ya.
What?
Let's do this together, What's this?
Nggak langsung kelihatan.
What's this?
Outstanding technique.
Oke.
I'm okay. Those LB scab eaters won't beat me that easily. Wait, you're Enfielders. I saw that
LB.
anchor fall right into your base. The Angoloyan LBs kept trying to get into this place while tearing apart. Anyway, appreciate the help. I gotta fix our facilities here. I still have two buddies out there. If you see an Alafia and Fort, tell them to bring their arsenal. I'll get my...
Ore-ore yang sangat menarik. Aku mau coba ini.
Take this! Are they valuable?
A blade unsheathed. It's left unleashed. Give it to me. Forward.
Face your ass! Take this!
Target locked.
Verify and report personal status, team.
Optional trap UST crew match gimana tuh? Alamatnya mana? Sini. Bersihin aja apa nih semua?
A blade unsheathed. It's left unleashed.
All vehicles within.
Face your ass! Take this!
Sequence. I wouldn't expect anything less.
The raiders have taken a UWST crewmate prisoner. We must defeat them.
Thank you so much. I got jumped
ini
by
kita
these
sudah selamatkan,
pipe-faced rascals. Done it.
Rascals?
Landbreaker
Well,
LB.
landbreakers can be rather dangerous.
Dangerous indeed. You look like Enfielders. I guess you
Landfielders.
took care of your anchor problem.
Our base is safe for now. However, we also had to fight off an unexpected landbreaker raid.
Solve the issue? That means every last one of those breaker scum, right?
I am totally for that. But I guess our priority is to secure the roads.
Jadi kita mengembalikan
Since so many of our
operasi
people are
dari
injured, we should
markas
restore
awalnya
base
ya.
operations first.
Agreed. You'll bail me out of a debt stage. I won't. I'll head back once I verify the facilities are all right. If you see my two other brothers out there.
Oke. Masih ada lagi yang mesti diselamatin ya.
This ain't normal.
Ready to fight.
All variables.
Here's our chance.
Crystallize.
Leave it to me.
Take this. How could you do that? Please teach me.
Right there.
Verify and report personal status, team.
We taught them a lesson.
Terus ambil. Terus selamatin lagi.
Joining the party? Oh, you're Enfielders.
Enfielders.
Yes, we're Enfielders. You're wounded, and did you do all this?
I probably did. I got no ideas on fighting the Bugaloids, but these raiders... all muscle but no brain.
We're trying to create a safe route to the hub base. You can go there to receive medical treatment.
Tuh balik ke
Great.
base.
Oh, by the way, I kindly asked this pipeface here a few questions before he passed out. Blightbrain could hardly form a coherent
Nggak
sentence,
bisa ngomong
but he
sebenarnya.
sounds northern.
Tapi dia seperti orang utara,
I
dari
could faintly
utara.
make out signs of trouble up north, but I have other business to...
Curiganya dari utara nih.
North? There is a refugee camp north of here trying to work for the UWST. But these raiders came from that direction too?
Kelihatan. Udah. Masih ada nih, ada apa di sini?
Getting buggers.
Aku pukulin aja.
Terminate target locked.
Oh,
Yay! That was some perfect teamwork.
Now that's what I call a real fight.
Nicely done.
banyak yang harus diambil ya. Banyak kotak-kotak yang tidak boleh terlewatkan nih.
Ready to fight.
All variables.
Pass
Artinya,
off.
waduh, naga nggak tuh.
Take your ass.
No second chance.
An easy victory.
High voltage fence. Oke. Ada sesuatu dong kalau ditutup begini. Nah, contohnya ini. Habis ya. Oke, kembali lagi ke tujuan awal ya. Tadi dari sini ya. Ada sesuatu lagi nggak di sini? Apaan tuh? Korea isi area. Wah,
We're all around you!
Here's our chance!
Gimana ini ultinya?
Shall face karmic justice!
A defense.
Gua hunting mak.
These LBs really aren't scared of anything, huh? Are you
Are you
alright?
Okay. I see a good opportunity for some all-ups. Mungkin itu ya, agak sombong sedikit ya.
This is strange.
That means we kept most of our stuff.
But it makes no sense. These raiders often raid various sites and settlements for essential resources. I was expecting to see devastation.
Lanjut.
So you're saying
Occupying.
Endman? Supervisor Perlica? I'm on my way with the cleanup crew. Please wait for us.
Udah datang bala bantuan nih.
Oh, it's Big Owl. Wait, he didn't mention my name?
We'll talk about the Landbreakers later. Our priority is to deploy the automation core. Since Andre and his crew are arriving soon, we can clean this site of theirs.
Ini misi pembersihan kayaknya sudah berjalan mulus ya.
Anyway, this place is cleaned up. No time to lose now.
Whoa,
Okay,
let's
udah
just take it
bersih.
easy.
Of course I am. Our goal in coming to the hub base
Prepare
is to
the
prepare
AIC
the
factory ya.
AIC factory.
Pabriknya.
We gotta run it through a field test and production trials. Though I must admit, I never expected to do it under such
Supervisor Perlica, we've received your protocol application and verified all access authority levels. You may issue the order for
PAC deployment.
Understood. The Endman and I shall... Endman. The PAC is protected by... Everything is now in place. Let us
Let us
begin.
begin. Okay. Deploy protocol automation core. Set. Kirim dari satelit yang tadi. Tuh.
Woohoo! That's wonderful! It's just like what I've envisaged. We can totally deploy the PAC further north and push into the frontiers. Sorry. I just got a little too excited.
With the protocol automation core deployed, this place is now the core AIC area. We can begin setting up our teleprotocol network. The AIC factory will need the core AIC area to perform production work.
Oke, nanti proses pembuatannya di sini ya.
Now that we've seen the stars, we should plant our feet on solid ground. Don't worry, Endman. We have not forgotten your lesson. The protocol automation core and the entire AIC factory it supports will give rise
To
to
New
new hope.
I'm gonna give the automation core a few tweaks. Just deploy the relay towers and transmit power to the protocol resonance tower. This will let us force restart the Originium power facilities within the hub base.
Just deploy the relay towers and transmit power to the protocol.
I've allocated a batch of relay tower from our stockpile. We can now deploy these facilities.
Wow, that sounds awesome.
Oh, you can treat it as a form of
Dari
facility
aliran listrik
grid
itu ya, dari
based on the
base-nya.
properties of Originium. As for what the automation core can really do, this is just the tip of the iceberg. By using the reverse internalization technology, the automation core...
Oke, sebenarnya banyak gunanya, cuman katanya biarkan dia bekerja dulu ya. Construction is the strength and field registries. Ya, ini bangun-membangun ya. IC mode. Oke, pindah ke kalau mau bangun-bangun tuh IC mode dulu ya tadi. Baru ini relay tower. Oke. Kita bangun. Nah, ini nanti bakal ada ininya nggak ya? Seterusnya bakal ada ujung-ujungnya, terus kita bikin random ya. The tower is key power transmission facility can be used to transmit power. Nah, ini untuk nggak kayak tiang listrik yang ngalirin listrik gitu ya. Relay towers. Oke. Sumber listriknya tadi itu si PIC tadi. PIC, ya. Protocol Automation Core. Relay tower ini nganterin listriknya gitulah.
Nicely done. Our next step is to start power transmission from the PAC.
Nyalain.
Endman! Just plug the cable in right here.
Oke, oh, tarik kabel. Masukin. Nah,
Both the
oh,
PAC and relay tower seem to be in working order. Now we just need to deploy more relay towers and
Tuh,
transmit
resonance.
power to the
Sampai
resonance
sini ya.
tower.
Well, looks like my work here is done. Using the protocol resonance tower to force activate Originium might damage our facilities. If we're not careful with this, we might...
Okay then, time to split our forces.
Oke.
Completing the automated industry
Sekarang
complex is a top priority for
transmit
Enfield
ke-
Industries. It is our core solution for
ke
dealing with the
resonance.
hazards of Talos 2. Enfield
Berarti-
completed basic verifications of the PAC technology several years ago. However, we encountered a crucial bottleneck that delayed our progress. Until recently.
Oh, mesti bangun nih kita nih. Duh, masih. Kepanjangan kan? Apa harus di sini ya? Oke.
We're almost there, Endman.
Oh, oke. Narik kabel ya. Besar banget.
Tell the boss. Enfield has arrived.
Landbreaker Chief. Siapa bosnya?
Their administrator has taken notice of us. All the boss's
Prediction have come true.
Good. Connection interfaces look normal. I was worried about...
I thought you Enfielders would never finish that project of yours. But you just deployed it in a flash.
This tech is
This
incredible.
tech is incredible.
We now only need a single night to construct a proper shelter in the wildlands. This is the future that we want to achieve with our AI. What was once our dream has finally made a major stride forward.
You did a great job, Big Owl. Oh, I mean, Mr. Andre.
Big O.
Oh, why so polite today, Master Chen? You got my feathers tingling and fluffed. I can hardly
I've always been like this.
Endman, Supervisor Perlica, power is back online at the hub base. Thank you so much.
Roger that, Director Chin. The automation core is working well. Perhaps we can run a few more tests.
Oke, disuruh apa lagi nih
we
kita?
could definitely use the support. The comms node is still under repair,
Comms.
so we can't contact other regions yet. And we're short-handed. Right now, the biggest problem is the Originium byproduct processing center. If anything happens to that place, the results could be disastrous. I'm forwarding information on the site to you.
Oke, ada pekerjaan lagi menunggu.
Wait, the Angeloy wouldn't cause this kind of damage. Maybe the Landbreakers had their eyes on something
Tuh kan,
inside.
bukan Ageloy kayaknya yang bikin kerusakan seperti ini. Sepertinya Landbreakers ada nyari sesuatu di dalamnya.
What's in the byproduct you mentioned? Another important project of yours?
Byproducts include all sorts of things you can think of.
Products.
But Originium batteries will be the most
Originium
important.
battery sekali ya.
I guess the LBs are after.
Danger.
Let's set aside how many these raiders stole for now. The worst part is that they know little about the safe handling of flammable and
Sama
explosive
ledaknya
materials.
Someone must have planned and coordinated this Landbreaker attack on our base, the underground lab, the protocol automation core deployment area. And now,
Then what are we waiting for? Let's head over right now and check out what those pipe-faced bandits are after.
the photo tells me that the processing center has suffered severe damage. We must repair the local infrastructure first.
This is where the AIC factory comes in. Let's head on over to the core AIC area right now.
Wow. Oke, ini maps. Oke, ini kabel-kabel yang kita tarik tadi ya. Oke, PIC YouTube. Oh, teleport. Oke. Level low dikit lagi. mata uangnya. Oro beril.
Still waiting for something?
Kita buka-buka aja. Oh, ini semua bisa kita terus nanti ya. Apa nih? Oke. Udah nggak bisa ya. Bundles. Oke. Dijang. Bisa dibeli ya? Bisa. Apa dia? Hit damage. Modelnya keren sih. Belum tahu kita bakal pakai yang mana ya. Ini solidification. Fort Maker. Attack. Maker. Pathfinder Beacon. Attack juga ya. Tapi bintang 4. Wow, bisa dibeli nih. Tapi yang mana ya yang bagus? Pusing gak tuh? Ini skill damage cryo. Ini bintang 4 ya. Ini beli langsung dapat gak sih? Oh, 8 more issue. Mungkin nggak langsung ya. Oke. Buka semua ini. Item, trade files. Oke. Kita mau coba buka ini. Redeem code-nya ya. Apa aja tuh redeem code-nya?
Let me respawn in Rome, please. Yes.
Snowfall. Oke. Apalagi? All field. Enfield for PC. Terakhir ada 4 ya. Enfield Gift. Oke. Sudah, kita cek dulu ya. Oro burial. Burial itu
The battlefield shows no mercy for mistakes.
Let's go over the battle plan once more, shall we?
poke.
Leave it to me.
Still waiting for something?
Top kiri.
I'll never forget the sight of them.
Operator Prota, standing by.
Perlika.
Uncle Pan always tells me to record my training. Well, he's got a point. I had
Sama si
I am trying to compose a bad joke for you.
Oke.
Prepped and ready to go.
Over here, Redman!
Prepped and ready to go.
Over here, Redman! So, this, and follow up with this. All right, I got it. Where are we headed?
Wind speed's okay. Visibility's good.
Oke, itu sealer ya.
Still waiting for something?
Tim 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 tim.
My laces aren't tied. Wait, Edmund's coming. Attention!
A mission for me? Good. I happen to be seeking field testing opportunities for modified orbiters.
I'll protect everyone.
Bisa gini ya. Coba ya.
Originium will carve
Kita
the
belum
path
lihat
for
guide
us.
ya guys ya.
You have something to discuss with me?
Snapshot showcase. Oh, ini S-nya. Buka ya semuanya.
Originium will
naikin dulu.
Wanna come snowboarding with me, Enderman? These records offer valuable references. They give me plenty of ideas for future SAR operations.
Physical kan? Oke. Andre.
Judging by how bad that gate looks, the facilities inside are probably damaged too. We must prepare some materials for carrying out emergency. I recommend the Origo crust.
Origo crust.
It's the most common material for reducing
untuk
all kinds of machinery and equipment.
bikin alat
The
ya.
very nature of Originium.
Wow, if it's that useful, I'm guessing.
Yeah, we just happen to have used up the local stash. Nobody expected that anchor fall to hit right in the middle of our
Habis.
base.
Jadi kita
That
nyari
being
lagi.
said, we have to start from square one and do some manual mining. I'll prep various AIC. You'll see plenty of ore formations and trees in the wilderness of Talos too. Since we look good, we have enough Originium ore. I've readied the facilities.
Tuh,
We
udah
should
ada. Refining unit. Geser. Taruh mana dia? Electric pilot. Mana electric pilot? Oh beda. Taruh di mana dia? Oke.
Construction complete. We can now activate the refining unit.
Apa yang mau dimasukin? Oh, ini ya. Originium. Oke, kerja nih ya. Oke.
Enman, you're an incredible learner. So, perhaps incredible
Incredible
learner
learner.
would be the wrong way to put it. After all, it was you who... Anyway, you can start moving again once you're ready. Now that we have these materials, we can still salvage the Originium machinery.
Oke,
Big
kita ngambil
Owl,
dulu ya.
besides those batteries, is there something else you're worried about in the processing center?
Yeah, Jen. You got really sharp senses.
Please direct them sama
Please direct them. I actually left a set of parts and some key documents for the prototype's upgrades. If I lose them, I won't be able to wrap up my work.
Important documents.
document.
Mr. Andre, you could have told us earlier. Director Chin would have...
Oh, you started the project without Director Chin's approval,
project.
didn't you?
No, it's not like that. It's
Diam-diam ya.
Oh, fine. The evaluation process can be a real bummer. So I spent my own money
Special
and got
equipment.
someone to custom build a set of special equipment. But I can't just delay the progress of the prototype project. It will be such a waste. Enman.
We understand. Let's move out as soon as we can.
Oh, thank you so much. By the way, some operators just set up a few zip lines in this area. Use them.
Oke, pakai zipline untuk pindah-pindah ya.
Shared facilities left by others are temporary. Feel free to try them out if you want.
Biar apa? Oh, repair. Oke. Gak bisa ke situ. Gak bisa ya. Oh, banyak masih.
Oh, this looks way worse than the photo.
Something's not right. They smashed the circuitry when the gate was closed. Those inside probably want to keep everyone out.
Tuh. Oh, sudah. Oke.
These illegal crusts really saved us some trouble. We have Mr. Andre to
Duh,
thank
lama
for
banget.
that. Look, the Landbreakers really turned this place upside down. They seem to be looking for something.
Wait, don't tell me that the LBs are really after the parts. What would they use them for?
I hope they have evacuated to safety. Perhaps we should do another sweep just to give the area a scan, Endman. The scanner might be able to locate some useful information.
Masukin isi tools. Oke.
I wonder how we'd go about this operation. I better refer to the intel we have and come up with a few emergency backup.
They even breached this place. These Landbreakers are clearly covering every inch.
Mereka ngecek semua ya. Kakinya di mana-mana.
The Landbreakers lingered here for quite a while. No signs of combat. Likely a failed stakeout or ambush.
Ngeri apa tuh? Kotak enfield. Oke, untuk fix material. Oke, sudah. Terus mau ngapain? Oh, nggak bisa ya. Alah. Letter. Semacam surat-surat.
Some documents have been taken away. But what about the parts? Someone has flipped through these data files. Were some of them taken away?
The footprints lead deeper into this facility.
That would lead to a dead end. We should hurry up.
There must be somewhere. Boss wants the crate. Oh, God. We can search this place again. Keep looking. I'll poke around in other place. Let's do this together, now. Get crushed. Direction. What's this?
Outstanding performance.
What's this? What?
Your end awaits.
What's this?
We made another step forward, Enfielders. Huh. We taught them a lesson.
Everyone's...
Maybe they're gone.
The footprints fade into that direction. We need to find a way to reach the upper platform. Let's look around. Perhaps we can find a crate to hop on. Don't be afraid. We are the Endfield Crisis Team. You're now...
Yeah, we totally defeated those land breakers.
Our security cameras found the landbreaker mobs heading this way. We stopped our work immediately,
Penyerang.
then took this set of equipment and the accompanying technical documents with us.
We got no idea what it's for.
This is it. This is thank you. The two of you...
Great. Oh, we also...
Mana yang tadi digambar?
Originium will carve a path for us.
Terus? Oke, serial belum ada ya.
Since the landbreakers are gone, we should start the emergency repairs. They should last until the base sends more people. You know, we really appreciate all the help you gave us, my Enfielder friends. Things look good for now.
Timnya kurang bagus ya sepertinya.
You stop! Drop the loot! That crate! It's ours!
Tim masih ganti ya.
Waiting for your orders, Administrator.
Terus ganti ya.
All operators accounted for. The team is ready
Ini
for the
bagus
mission.
ini.
Our turn
Awal.
already? Nice. One should strike when the timing is right. What is it, Perlica? Thinking about something?
Those landbreakers. You heard what they said. Their leader is looking for the parts in the document.
But why would the LBs want the documents? I mean, can they even understand this stack of technobabble?
What's even more suspicious is Mr. Andre mentioned that he ordered and paid for the Originium modification parts himself. How would the Landbreakers acquire such information? Mr. Andre should know more than us. Endfield has worked together with the UWST for quite a while. We often carry out joint engineering projects together. The UWST has spent years researching the ether rift of Valley 4. They have constructed an ether test, though it does make little sense. I have a feeling that we'll get to the bottom of this afterwards. The good news is that we successfully secured the processing center and recovered the parts and the documents.
Balik lagi ke Mr. Andre.
Endman, the automation core can also be a target destination for teleprotocol. Time is a luxury.
Ya, langsung balik aja.
Now that everything's settled, I guess Mr. Andre can finally breathe easy.
Guys, you've got to make Big Owl treat us to a mega feast. Otherwise, you're just spoiling
Kulit
him.
dulu kali ini.
Where should we go next?
Mineral ores form the foundation of industry.
Take this! Are they valuable?
Bilhin dong.
Mineral ores form the foundation of industry. We should gather more.
Bukan. Banyak sih, tapi gue pukulin aja.
I've seen these in textbooks. Are they valuable?
Yuk. Biar kerja dulu ya kan.
Mr. Andre, we found the things you need. We also met a few fortunate UWST crewmates who survived.
Wonderful, Edmund and Supervisor Perlica. Oh, by the way, you probably saw plenty of damaged facilities in the hub area.
Origo crush.
And that will mean we need to gather a lot more Originium ore. Now, I don't want to dent Master Chen's legendary Hangshan. This, Edmund, is the Enfield
Portable Originium rig.
Just deploy it on a mining spot. Unable to...
Oke. Tuh, bisa dia pilih nih ya.
The portable Originium rig automatically sets aside some of the excavated ore to power it. This is the place, Endman. Let's deploy the portable Originium rig on this mining spot.
Oke. Bisa dikirim langsung nggak ya?
Endman, we can now produce Origo crusts in batches. Just like before, we'll make them by putting Originium ore into the refining unit.
fabulous! I now have everything I need to start repairing the prototype. Enman, make sure you're here to witness its awakening. Don't miss it. Promise. Landbreakers? Why would they want these things? T11 Originium prisms are highly fragile.
Originium
Same
prisms.
goes for the high-precision nucleic crystal centers. The prototype is an experimental tech we developed for the ether side. To the land... Yeah, quite odd indeed. Maybe some landbreakers thought, hey, that looks expensive, and figured they could flip it on the black market. Anyway, since we've retrieved the crucial items, let's focus on the matter at hand.
Endman, I received Andre's message. Good job out there. A team to reinforce the Originium byproduct processing center is en route. The arsenal is the objective of our... I couldn't get in touch with our arsenal engineer. The entrance of the arsenal was blocked. Our closest Enfielder is investigating the site as we speak. She should be in touch with you.
Edmund, we got a high payload situation on our hands. We don't have enough people to clean up the collapsed building, and we couldn't bring in the heavy machinery. The only solution... I wonder if the crisis team could do me a favor and get me some of that Originium powder? I'll wait for you at the arsenal.
Originium powder? I'm sure Big Owl knows how to make it, right?
Of course I do. It's time to reveal the shredding unit. Mineral ores, metals, plants. It doesn't matter. Head to the PAC and use it to construct a shredding unit. Try to deploy the shredding unit close to the PAC.
Mm-hmm. Sebelahan nggak? Gitu kah?
Enman, activate the shredding unit control panel to check how it's used. Simple and intuitive, right? It shares the same basic control panel as the refining unit. I say it's time to shred some Originium ore to powder.
Tinggal dulu ya.
Time to head to the arsenal. I haven't had proper fireworks ever since I left Wu Ling.
If I'm not mistaken, the local arsenal is managed by an arsenal engineer from Endfield.
Arsenal engineer? I remember seeing a little girl who was always running around with weapons in her arms back in Enfield. Are they related?
The arsenal engineers of Enfield Industries are professionals in all forms of armaments. The little girl you saw is actually their director. I'll properly introduce our arsenal director once we find the time. I'm sure she will get along with you and our Endwin.
nyimpen ya.
There's no way we can get through all this rubble.
But you're here. Our high payload situation hasn't changed. I prepped the explosives and marked the detonation site. Don't worry, there's no risk of sympathetic detonation.
Oke, ini formnya.
And then this barrel of originium bombs is and our AIC factory has been deployed, right?
And she really likes explosives.
Oke, lempar ke situ ya.
Alrighty. Hope I don't miss. Right on target.
Okay.
I give that explosion a 10 out of 10.
Chen, I remember you making quite a scene with some fireworks. Perhaps you have a
Wow.
knack for demolition work.
Shh! Not here! Not in front of so many people, Pearly. That happened way back.
Ada senjata di sini.
Hey, you alright?
Breathing is stable. No external injuries detected. He's likely unconscious from the blast. Work ID says Semyon. His vitals look stable. Let's wake him up. Wait, Chen. Go easy on him, alright?
Gimana banguninnya?
What? An anchor fall struck our base? Wait.
Semyon.
It's so come there was this very loud explosion. And the entire place shook like...
Oh.
Thank you, Administrator and Supervisor Perlica. You saved my life.
I must
I
return
must
to my
return to my
post.
post.
Nah, ini memang bukan posnya ya.
Fortunately, this arsenal still seems intact. Take a piece or two. It's my duty to make sure you wield it.
Asik. Contingent measure. Kalau lagi diskon nih semuanya. Bebas aja ya, agility. Ya. Beli aja semua. Penting ya. Apalagi quencher. Pakai tombak siapa? Oke juga. Oke.
Still waiting for something?
Pedangnya bisa di dia ya.
Not too shabby. Nggak usah ditunda. Ini apa dia? Oh bukan itu ya. Ini
Gudang. Dia apa sih ini tipenya?
Good. It puts my mind at ease. I still have some gear in stock. Come find me if you need anything.
Baker is back in the valley. Got something nice from the proto. Meet me where the first met. Okay.
Speaking of which, the
Originium will carve a path for us.
Prepped and ready to go.
over here, Edmund!
Tembak ya.
It's not the weapon that makes the Lancer. Even a simple waxwood staff can strike true.
Gila itu juga ya. Intellect boost.
We won't be the only place that's getting an AIC factory, right?
Valley 4 is the first step for the AIC factory. Our plan is to deploy the AIC in various regions along the frontiers.
So what happens after that?
After that?
Yeah, once we step into the frontiers. What do you want to see? Brand new cities? Or cozy...
Balik ya. Underground. Oh, di sini ya. Bisa kita lihat sih.
Where should we go next?
Ya, masih ada nih sini. Landbreakers. Apa prototype?
Oh, activation success! Can you hear me? Hello? Are you there, my little buddy? T-A-T-A?
TTA prototype.
Absolutely wonderful! This proves my repair work was a success. This here is Operator Chen, this is Supervisor Perlica, and this is our Administrator. This little buddy's smart module is what Yvonne slapped together in her spare time. Oh,
Yvonne.
What? Is this a radio call? No,
No, wait.
This voice message is triggered if some dummy performs a hard reboot during maintenance mode. You!
Ooh, someone predicted Big Owl and all his silly moves.
I don't know what you did, but it's gotta be serious. Get yourself over to my place. Remember, if you ever...
Yvonne gitu.
Edmund, Supervisor Perlica, you must... Oh, that's cruel. Whew. In any case, even in maintenance mode, the prototype can still monitor and log ambient data.
Is that why you told us to come over? All right.
Okay, listen. I found abnormal energy fluctuations coming from the Valley Fort. They appeared shortly before the anchor fall. The interval, they are just too similar. So I have to conclude there's a link between...
Then we should try to contact the Valley Fort quickly. Let's head to the control tower. We can...
Balik lagi. dapat ada ininya, ada rewardnya. Menarik ya, menarik ya. Oke, mana? Dimarahin sama ini nggak, Shinjiangshi?
The control tower received plenty of great news from around the base. Stellar basic amenities of the hub area are working again. Our main comms node is currently inoperable. I've taken parts from other machines and got it's a top secret component, and the backup part has been lost during the attack. Endman, I know I've already asked. Legends speak of your miraculous work with Originium equipment. We
Endman, there was a time when you could directly sense the operations of Originium machinery. You could even fine-tune Originium circuits on the fly. Modify gear, repair machines. Originium has a wide range of applications. We used both the Originium arts and industrial technology for power production. Telos 2 has plenty of Originium cultivation sites and mines.
In fact, at one point in our history, Originium mining led to a series of environmental and social issues.
Bingung dia, lupa terus kan. Semua MC di game-game MMORPG ya, selalu melupakan.
But the Endman has just been awakened recently. And wielding powerful forms of Originium arts will affect anyone's health. Fine. But if you feel any discomfort, stop.
We're all counting on you, Administrator.
Okay. Oke, masih nggak ngerti ya gimana itu bisa berhasil ya.
Welcome to ENDFIELD Industries.
That's a lot of new messages.
Booting up.
Someone save us! The Valley Fort! So many landbreakers! Help!
Too much noise, scumbag!
The Valley Fort seems to have fallen.
That landbreaker, was he trying to taunt us?
An LB mob raided Andre's basement labs. Another group attacked the Originium byproduct processing center.
It seems like while our comms were down, the landbreakers launched simultaneous attacks at multiple key
simultaneous attacks across an entire region. Agreed. We need to act and respond in kind.
Hell yeah! I say it's time for the Enfield counterattack.
Before we made our landing, I had Dijong contact all combat operators in the surrounding regions to reinforce. One of them is a landbreaker specialist. His last reported position is just nearby.
We shall run. Wait, Endman. Before you set off, I actually have something for you.
Apalagi itu yang mau dikasih? Kit assembly. Oke. Oh. Kayu dapat dari mana ya? Wood. Oke.
Originum will carve a path for us. A fine product of industrial manufacturing.
Operator gear. Oh. Pakai dulu semuanya.
The security division and the crewmates managed to find some pieces of gear from when the anchor came crashing down on us. I did my best. Your intervention helped us through the worst of this crisis. You also sped up. It is my genuine wish on behalf. Oh, and by the way, I actually planned a nice little reception for you. Endman, Supervisor Perlica, and Operator Chen never bite more than you can chew. And do not press a desperate foe. It's always better to be safe than sorry. You already did a lot for us. And people at the hub base only...
I understand, Director Chin.
We
all do.
You can count on me.
All right then. Good luck out there.
Okay, next mission. Valley Fort.
Every action taken by the Landbreakers seems to be pointed at Andre's prototype, Enfield Industries, and even you, Administrator.
Yay. Ini ya. Bisa. Oh, coba aja, gas. Dapat nggak kita? Makan. Yang 5 nih siapa nih?
Oxys?
Catcher.
Enter.
Catcher.
Siapa?
We meet again.
Panda depan. Depan. Habis. Bisa. 2 kali lagi. Ya, 2 kali lagi.
I say it's time to go and reveal the truth.
Jauh ya? Kita sini ya. disimpan ya. Restore HP.
Originium will carve a path for us.
Belum tak ambil. Oh, nggak ada. Baru itu yang bisa.
Still waiting for something?
Oke. Ini baterai blokir. Udah melentuk ini. Enggak ada ya. Dan breaker lagi.
So many land breakers. They even built a camp.
They're sitting on the only way to the Valley Ford. I think they're here to block reinforcements.
Please don't kill me. Just give me a chance.
Our rising clan does not need gutless cowards. The boss wants enemies. There! Kill them! Show them the
Berdiri aja gitu di depan kita.
They are blocking our only way. Take them down, Chen.
I wouldn't expect...
useless trash! Want to learn how to really kill!
Give me a shout anytime. Ever seen it? What's this?
Sterilize this area.
Your end awaits.
Passed off as passed.
Yes, which hand will crush you. Take this.
Verify and
Ugh, more LBs? Careful, Furlica. These mobs are something else.
Masih.
Brave one. Impressive. You must be the legendary administrator, Gatello Wolfgard Lupino, formally reporting for duty, administrator. That's how Supervisor Perlica usually introduces me. To where?
Wolfgard is an Enfield Specialist Tech Division operator.
Landbreaker
He's an
Specialist.
expert in covert. Listen, Wolfgard. Pointing your gun at a fellow Enfielder is never acceptable.
Apologies, Supervisor Perlica. It was an emergency, and I failed to notice the enemy.
I will hold you to that. Valley.
I'm on it. The Bone Crushers have sabotaged the devices for controlling the... These raiders only focused on raiding and looting in the past. Such actions are too well thought out.
This control panel's busted.
The power issue is something we can handle. The automation core will give us an easy fix.
Teman baru nih. Wolfgard. Kamu bisa narik, bisa kan? Tuh. Coba aja dulu ya. Gimana dia ini? Stagger. Heat infliction. Melting flame. Ooh. Combustion and corrosion. Okay, Oh gitu. GG. Bisa kita dapat ya. Mungkin yang lain-lain bakal lebih OP ya.
The switch isn't working. It's out of juice.
We must reconnect it to an electrical grid. Like the one...
Balik dulu.
Hi folks! The hub-based crew has prepared several relay towers for us. Let's use them to connect the bridge to the...
Originally, will carve at that. You have something.
Bukan. Headhunter. Oke, sebenarnya kita akhiri dulu malam ini, nanti kita lanjut lagi. Banyak banget yang harus dipelajari dan dibaca. Oke. Sudah jam 2 waktu Indonesia Tengah. Next time. Okay, good night.